Hey, rail fans, Cajon Pass. Got a BNSF Autorack, eastbound, milepost 65. Main track number 1. We're at Blue Cut, Cajon Pass. I really like these auto racks. You always have a great assortment of cars. These will hold up to 15 cars each. 3 layers of 5. What a beautiful day out here. My gosh, look at that sky. Woo! Man, oh man. Up here by the top of the cantilever. This is some of the steepest grade in the Cajon Pass right through here. Maybe not the steepest, but it's steep here. So what do we have? Norfolk Southern CSX. Got a plain label one here, no markings. CP. There's a BNSF. This all look empty. I'm seeing light through there. There's the Stallion. Union Pacific. Yeah, these are empty. I don't know if you can see through them, but I can. There's 125 something. Hey, 125, it ain't you, but it's 125. Huh. Providence and Worcestershire Railroad. I could have pronounced that right. I probably wrong. I probably did. Haven't seen that one before. NKCR. Union Pacific. CSX. We're supposed to be highballing a Union Pacific through here any time now. I might have missed it. I hope not. Ferromix, our friends south of the border. I've got some followers down there. Okay, we got a second chance here. It's Providence and Worcester Railroad. Beautiful car. I like the shiny panels. Grupo Mexico. That's Route 66, the road you see just beyond the train. CP. Can't see the end of the train yet. It's empty, so. There's a rail fanner just pulled up there. Couple of them pulling up. Southern Pacific almost got by me. I hope I got some pictures of that. I got to pay better attention. I'm looking at people and I got rare cars going by me, doggone it. I wish I would have had a picture of that here. I snapped 3 pictures when I mentioned it, so we'll hope one of them come out. Kansas City Southern lines. I talked to an engineer the other day that came through here. He talked to me for a little bit. He was taking a load of Toyotas to Barstow from Long Beach. I'm hearing a train horn, so we got another train coming. I'm not sure if it's on the Palmdale line or this line. I'd like to go up and get the Palmdale line if it's on that one. But I'm not in the right spot, really. I heard the horn tooting, so pretty sure it's down here. Just past that crossing, it should be coming by here anytime now, I guess. Usually when you hear the train horn, it's about 20 seconds away from the gate coming down. Yeah, here we go on the outside. You can barely see it. It's at Burlington Northern. It's hiding back there. Ah, 2 Autoracks in a row. That's cool. That's a rare one. Starting to see the end of this train on main track number 1. That other train looks like it's on main 3. Maybe 2. It's definitely not on 1. Just gave that guy a wavy wave back. It's a rusted roof. Tin roof, rusted. Was there a song like that? Love Shack, baby, Love Shack. Alright, Autoracks. Trying to see if there's any automobiles on that other one. I'm peeking through the cracks. Haven't got a good look yet. But we will in a second when this other one finishes, as long as it finishes before this other one. That other one's on the outside's moving pretty quick. This is kind of cool. I haven't had 2 Autoracks go by each other. East meets west. Has a new twist. Long video, oh my god, 8 minutes. Holy moly. Canadian Pacific on the end. Gosh darn it, I wish I would have got better pictures of that Southern Pacific. If I got any pictures at all, who knows? I may have got a good one. I have pulled off some incredible shots in my day. Got the pretty on the back. Ah, I love it when the ends come together like that. Cool, cool, cool. All right, that's on main track 1, and the other one's on main track 3. Just verified that. I didn't verify if there was any automobiles on that one, but the outbound had none. Probably going back to Ohio to refill. All right, and you can see this Autorack going down. You can see how steep that curve is. 2% is 2 feet for every 100 feet, so I could be crazy, but I'm thinking that's more than 2%. Let me know what you think. Look at all those cars going down Route 66. Woo! It's a fun highway. It really is. There's a lot of stupid people driving on it, but it's fun. All right, 2 for 1 Autorackers. a line right above that. I want to catch a train on that one today on that Palmdale cutoff. That's my goal. Getting spoiled down here on these tracks. It's been a slow day though, and you don't see a lot of those out here. Right above the train you can see the burn area. That red stuff around the edges is Phosgene. You see how they surrounded it and cornered that area pretty good and quenched it. All right, real fans, Cajon Pass. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe to my Instagram page and YouTube channel. Love you guys. Take care. I'd like to hear your comments. Take care. Bye-bye.